Top 10 Phone Repair in St. Louis. 1. Phone Factory, 5 470 reviews, and Lindbergh Blvd. 2. The Fix in Walmart Maplewood, 4.9 834 reviews, Maplewood Commons Dr. 3. iTech STL, 4.9 574 reviews, Lemay Ferry Rd. 4. The Fix Walmart St. Louis, 4.9 161 reviews, Telegraph Rd. 5. Batteries Plus Phone Repair, 4.9 118 reviews, Forest Park Avenue. 6. CommDepot, 4.8 1202 reviews, Cherokee St. 7. Cellphone and Computer Genius, 4.8 905 reviews, North New Florissant Road. 8. Custom Fix, Cellphone and Tablet Repair, 4.8 554 reviews, next to Bath and Body Works. 9. Case and Repair Master, 4.8 305 reviews, W County Center. 10. St. Louis Cellphone Center, 4.8 286 reviews, Gravois Avenue.